Hey guys, we're going to perform a price time cause and effect analysis of Nifty Futures, the August contract. We're looking at the hourly chart, which happens to be the most important time frame for trading Nifty intraday. To determine its trend intraday, we use the hourly chart. Nifty Futures August contract opened above 16,530 support this morning, but could not hold it and sold off, making a low of 16,394 today, before closing above a critical resistance to end the day at 16,493. Now let's determine our support and resistance levels for tomorrow, August the 24th, using our proprietary market analysis system, PrimeCase, which is an acronym for Price Time Cause and Effect Analysis System. Nifty Futures could trade as high as 16,600 by end of trade tomorrow, and we expect them to make a low around 16,400 by Thursday's monthly contract expiry. Our supports and resistances for tomorrow are as follows. Our first support, S1, is at 16,455, while our first resistance, R1, is at 16,550. S2 is at 16,425, while R2 is at 16,590. And last but not least, S3 is at 16,350, while R3 is at 16,615. Let me repeat these levels for you. S1 is at 455, while R1 is at 550. S2 is 425, while R2 is 590. S3 is at 350, while R3 is at 615. Okay guys, just to summarize, Nifty Futures could trade as high as 16,600 tomorrow, and I expect it to make a low around 16,400 by Thursday's monthly contract expiry. So folks, that's my analysis for August 24th of Nifty Futures August contract trading on the National Stock Exchange. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video.